Guys, get ready, because OnePlus is about to shake the smartphone world once again. The upcoming OnePlus 15 is not just another upgrade. It's a complete game changer that might redefine what we expect from flagship phones in 2025. But hold on till the end, because I've got a surprising detail that not even most tech insiders are talking about yet. So, let's dive into this beast of innovation that's about to dominate the market. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to launch globally around March 2025, and from what leaks suggest, it's bringing some serious firepower. Starting with the heart of this phone, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, a 3-nanometer powerhouse that boosts performance by nearly 30% and cuts power consumption by 20%. That means smoother gaming, faster app launches, and an ultra-responsive experience that feels almost futuristic. Pair that with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, and you've got a device that laughs at lag and handles multitasking like a dream. Now, let's talk about the display, because this one's going to blow you away. OnePlus 15 is said to feature a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a QHD+ resolution and a refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, adapting perfectly whether you're gaming, scrolling, or watching movies. The screen reportedly reaches peak brightness up to 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest panels ever on a smartphone. And with ultra-thin bezels and a slightly curved design, the front looks like pure glass magic, elegant, immersive, and stunning from every angle. But wait until you hear what OnePlus is cooking in the camera department. Leaks suggest a triple camera setup featuring a 50MP Sony LYT-808 main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. Combined with OnePlus's new AI photography engine, this phone can recognize subjects, adjust lighting, and enhance skin tones automatically for pro-level shots. The AI video stabilization is another highlight. Imagine recording cinematic-quality clips even while walking or running. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera with upgraded HDR delivers crisp, detailed portraits that pop even in low light. Battery life? OnePlus is not holding back. The OnePlus 15 is expected to come with a 5,500 mAh battery and an insane 150W SuperVOOC charging speed. Yes, you heard that right. Full charge in less than 20 minutes. Plus, this time, we're getting wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which were heavily requested features from fans. And here's the cherry on top. Thanks to AI power optimization, the phone learns your usage patterns and reduces background drain, extending battery life like never before. Performance-wise, this device is built to dominate. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, paired with OnePlus's advanced cooling system, ensures top-tier performance without overheating. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or running multiple apps, the OnePlus 15 delivers buttery smooth performance that could even challenge gaming phones. And let's not forget about the OxygenOS 15, based on Android 15, featuring AI-powered customization, smarter multitasking, and a new minimalist design that makes the user experience feel futuristic and clean. Now, here's the suspense. There's a rumor that OnePlus might launch a special OnePlus 15 Pro AI Edition, featuring an integrated AI assistant co-developed with Google, capable of editing videos, summarizing texts, and even generating wallpapers based on your mood. Imagine that level of personalization in your pocket. So, guys, are you excited for the OnePlus 15? Because this phone seems ready to crush the competition and redefine speed, photography, and smart AI experiences all in one sleek body. And here's the surprise. Some leaks suggest that early pre-orders might come with free OnePlus Buds 4, but only for the first 1,000 customers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Because trust me, the OnePlus 15 is not just a smartphone, it's the future in your hand, and we're just one step away from witnessing something truly revolutionary.